हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम स्टडी करेंगे एमएससी जूलॉजी फोर्थ सेमेस्टर के फर्स्ट पेपर न्यूरोफिजियोलॉजी एंड जनरल फिजियोलॉजी, जिसका टॉपिक है मेनिंग्स, न्यूट्रोफिन्स एंड सेरेब्रोस्पाइनल फ्लूइड स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन, जिसमें हम सबसे फर्स्ट देखेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन। The human brain and spinal cord are intricate structures that require precise protection, nourishment, and support to function effectively. This support system is maintained through the combined action of the meninges, neutrophins, and cerebrospinal fluid. Together, these components play vital roles in safeguarding the central nervous system, promoting neuronal health, and ensuring proper neurological functioning. This paper explores their structure, function, and interdependence, shedding light on their significance in vertebrate physiology. Second डेफिनेशन में सबसे फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे मीनिंग्स का। दीज आर प्रोटेक्टिव मेम्ब्रेन दैट एनवेलप द ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, प्रोवाइडिंग स्ट्रक्चरल सपोर्ट एंड सर्वाइविंग एज ए बैरियर अगेंस्ट एक्सटर्नल इंजरी। सेकेंड, न्यूरोट्रोपिन्स। दिस आर स्पेशलाइज्ड प्रोटीन दैट प्रमोट द सर्वाइवल, डेवलपमेंट एंड फंक्शन ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स। थर्ड, सेरेब्रोस्पाइनल फ्लूइड, a clear and colorless liquid that surrounds the brain and spinal cord, providing mechanical protection and nutrient transport. Of structure and function of meninges. The meninges consist of three distinct layers. First, dura mater, second, arachnoid mater, third, pia mater. First हम देखेंगे dura mater. Dura mater is the outermost layer which is thick, tough and fibrous, providing a durable shield against mechanical injury. Second, arachnoid mater. The middle layer resembling a spider web, thin and elastic, creating a protective cushion around the CNS. Third, pia mater. The innermost layer is delicate and closely adheres to surface of the brain and spinal cord, following their contours. This is the diagram of meninges. अब हम देखेंगे फंक्शन ऑफ meninges. First, protection. Act as a barrier against trauma and infection. Second, support. Maintain the structural integrity of the CNS. Third, compartmentalization. Help divide the brain into regions, reducing the spread of infections or hemorrhages. Fourth, facilitating of blood supply. Contain blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to the CNS. Neurotropins and their roles. Neurotropins are a family of proteins that play a critical role in neuronal health. The primary neurotropins include first, nerve growth factor, promote the survival and maintenance of sensory and sympathetic neurons. Second, brain derived neurotrophic factor, vital for sympathetic plasticity and long term memory formation. Third, neurotropins 3 support the differentiation and survival of various neurons type. Fourth, neurotropin 4 and 5 contribute to neuronal survival and regeneration. अब हम देखेंगे फंक्शन ऑफ न्यूरोट्रोफिन्स. फर्स्ट, न्यूरॉन सर्वाइवल, prevent programmed cell death, apoptosis, in neurons. Second, axon guidance and growth facilitate the development of proper neural circuits. Third, sympathetic plasticity enhance the strength and flexibility of synapse for learning and memory. Fourth, regeneration aid in neuronal repair after injury. अब हम देखेंगे सेरेब्रोस्पाइनल फ्लूइड, जिसका composition and function. Cerebrospinal fluid is produced by the choroid plexus in the brain's ventricle and circulate through the supraarachnoid space and central canal of the spinal cord. Its composition include water, glucose, electrolytes, protein, and minimal cells. Function of CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. First, mechanical protection. Act as a cushion, absorbing shocks and preventing damage to the CNS. Second, chemical stability. Maintain the ionic balance necessary for proper neuronal function. Third, nutrient transport. Deliver essential nutrient and removes metabolic waste from the CNS. Buoyancy. Reduce the effective weight of the brain, preventing compression of blood vessels. Fifth, immunological defense. Provide a barrier against pathogen and facilitates the removal toxins. Interdependence of meninges, neurotropins, and CSF. The meninges, neurotropins, and CSF work in harmony to maintain the CNS functionally. First, the meninges protect the CNS from physical and microbial threats, while CSF provides an additional cushioning layer. Second, neurotropins promote neural health and repair, ensuring that neurons function optimally within the protected environment. Third, CSF facilitates the distribution of neurotropins and other critical molecules across the CNS. Clinical significance. Disruptions in the functioning of any this component can lead to severe neurological condition. First, meningitis. Inflammations of the meninges, often due to infection, which can disrupt CNS protection. Second, neurodegenerative disease. Reduced level of neurotropins such as BDNF are linked to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Third, hydrocephalus. Excessive accumulation of CSF can increase intracranial pressure, damaging the brain tissues. Conclusions. The meninges, neurotropins, and cerebrospinal fluid form a thread that ensure the CNS structural and functional integrity. The meninges protect and compartmentalize the CNS. Neurotropins nurture and maintain neuronal health, and CSF provide cushioning, nutrient delivery, and waste removal. Understanding their interplay is crucial for advancing treatment for neurological disorder and ensuring overall CNS health. References.